Right, we are here to solve this problem here, and we focus on a couple of things, but most importantly, we note that on top of a hill, a rocket is launched from a distance of 80 feet above a lake. The rocket will fall into the lake after its engine burns out. The rocket's height, h. So the rocket's height, h, in feet above the surface of the lake is given by the equation h equals minus 16t squared plus 64t plus 80, where t is the time in seconds. What is the maximum height reached by the rocket? So we proceed to solve this problem, and we solve it as follows. Remember, we need to find the maximum height reached by the rocket. So write down the solution. We write h equals minus 16t squared plus 64t plus 80. And we find right now the derivative dh dt, which is minus 32t plus 64 equals 0 for maximum height. For max height. For maximum height, this is what we have. Right, we solve for t from here and we transpose 64, making it negative. We divide by negative 32 and the result is 2. Maximum height. What is the maximum height? So we realize that the maximum height is minus 16t squared plus 64t plus 80. And therefore, the maximum height is when t is 2, we substitute in the place of t, we put 2. Right, upon further simplification of this, we get 144. Right, so now what then do we say? We note, therefore, that at this point, the height is given by this, the time is in seconds. Right, and the height is obviously in feet. So hence, the maximum height is h equals 144 feet, like this. Okay. Right, so this is what we get. And now, after having obtained this, we realize that the maximum height is 144 feet during the time t equals 2 seconds. T equals 2 seconds. Okay, there are a couple of other things that we need to consider is there's an alternative solution to these that we can most certainly sort of present because we understand that obviously the time is 2 seconds and the height is in feet there. Okay, but we can solve this differently, alternatively. Um, h equals minus 16t squared plus 64t plus 80 minus 16 into t squared minus 4t minus 5, like so. Like so. Right. Beautiful. Here, so you can use another method to solve this problem. And if you examine this, we have then minus 16, and then it becomes t squared minus 4t plus we half 4, we get minus 2, we subtract the same thing. And we have minus 5, like this. And this is minus 16. T minus 2, you square this. Minus, this is going to be minus 4, minus 5, which is exactly minus 9. Right, you can distribute. And if you distribute, get minus 16t to the minus 2 squared plus 144. Hence, the maximum height. Maximum height reached by the rocket is h equals 144 meters at time t equals 2 seconds, like so. So this is the height and that is the time. And we have solved this problem in detail. And we are done right now. We have looked at 2 methods that can be used to solve this problem. So thanks everybody for joining us, and goodbye to you.